Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check. 4:07 ng madaling araw dito. 4:07 a.m. everyone. And the weather is medyo malamig pa pag gantong umaga. Ay, hindi ko pala suot yung aking weather forecast na relo. So, today is April 1. Ayan, 5. And the highest is 14. So, yung 14, everyone is later pa. So, Tuesday na tayo, everyone. April 1. April Fool's Day. So, ayun. Yung haring araw, kita nyo. That's it. Sunrise na. So, that's it everyone for this morning of Tuesday. 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. Bye and see you later everyone. Good morning everyone. I'm in Aileen Eastern, sorry. Yeah. Going to Elizabeth line. Oh, that's it.
Just share there.
Yeah.
I'll order a copy.
Need to top here. Top up here. Yeah, good morning. Going to Hanwell, everyone.
This is an Elizabeth line service to Heathrow Terminal 4 via Heathrow Terminals 2 and 3. The next station is West Ealing. Change is toward Greenford. For safety reasons, please keep luggage clear of the aisles and doors, including the area behind the driver's door.
Maganda tong gantong train pag papunta ka ng mag-travel ka ng long travel. Kasi napaka-convenient. Tapos malinis. Yan. So, going to Hanwell for
We
today.
are now arriving at West Ealing.
Just
Mind the gap between the train
3
and the
stops
platform.
from the Eden Broadway. See you later, everyone. Ayan, everyone. Palabas na rin ako ng train ng Elizabeth. Going to super init, grabe. Towards to bahay ni Christina. Ayan. See you later everyone. Para makaano. At babalik din ako para makarest din. Makapag-nap time and makapag-lunch sa bahay everyone. Dito tayo. Doon sa kanto mag right turn and then malapit na yung bahay niya. Ang dali lang. Ayan, good morning. Time check. It's quarter to 12. So, I'm waiting. Andito na ako ulit sa Hanwell Station. So, 11:48. 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. Andito na ang train. Elizabeth Line. Ayan. Dito ako. Dito manggagaling ang train. Tingin tayo sa monitor. Ayan yung monitor nila. O, diba? Yan, everyone. Balik tayo sa Ealing Broadway, tapos mag-district line, and then Jubilee line. And that's it at the moment. See you later when I'm got home, everyone.
We are now arriving at West Ealing.
Ayan, everyone. Balik tayo doon sa district line. Doon, no? So, dapat pag galing ka pala doon, kailangan sa huli ka ng train, sasakay para malapit dito sa labasan. Lipat ka ulit doon. Check lang, everyone. Ayan. Pag Central Line, tingnan natin. Pag mag Central Line o Bond Street, ayoko dun. Malayo yung ng Bond Street. So, dito tayo sa District Line. Yan ah. District Line. Dito tayo sa District Line kasi tingnan natin. Hammersmith High Street. Sakto, Westminster towards Upminster. Ayun lang, everyone. South Ken, Westminster. Doon, ayun. Ay, wait. Ayan, everyone. Lot 7. Westminster ang baba ko. Yun lang. Bye-bye and see you later, everyone. Westminster.
The train now approaching is to Wilson Green. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Antok ko na ako. Everyone, I'm home. Home sweet home. Eksakto, 1:00. Andito na si ako. Yan o. Ganda ng mga bulaklak nila. Wow, grabe ang ganda o. Super as in. Si Alembong. Lunch, everyone. Pass. Big Mac. Big Mac name. Dito na ako. Sa dalawang British. Watching.
Dito, papalitan ko ako sa akin. Ha? Kukuha ako.
Time check. Good afternoon, everyone. 10 to 4. Kainitan ng araw. Grabe, everyone. Ang tindi. Yan o. Nakasakit ang ano. Kahit sabihin mong salamin na ako. Sakit sa mata. So, ayan lang everyone. Pasok tayo. At, ng ganyan. Pasok tayo ng ganyan. Hungry pa everyone. Here, mainit ang araw. See you after 2 trains, everyone. Mainit. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here at the David Games. Yan time na everyone. Dalawa pa rin kami kasi lumayas na yung iba. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng gabi sa Aldgate, di ba? Samahan ng ganito. Oo, edi lalong gumanda, di ba? Yun eh. Ang ganda na sis.
Oo, maliwanag.
Ang ganda ng mga may mga ilaw. And that's it. We're going to underground to take the train. And I'm gonna take 2 trains. Okay, bye. See you later. Mag-dinner. It's
Itsu. Eat beautiful.
Wow!
Sushi so.
Is it?